Good morning. It's Thursday, March 19th, day 129 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. 27 degrees, but nice and clear. Let's go get my pre-work morning walk done. At least it's a nice, calm morning with no wind. So even though it's cold, it's not too bad because there's no wind. I can't wait till we get daylight back in the morning. It's nice having the 7 p.m. sunsets, but I would like to not be in the pitch dark every morning. Let's get this pre-work morning walk wrapped up. After work on day 129, getting some steps in at Anchor Beach. Still a little chilly, and it's been cloudy all day, but no rain, no snow. So we're good to go to get some extra steps in, and no wind. So perfect night. Let's go. It's low tide down at the beach, but everything is so calm and still because there's literally not a stitch of wind. But I need the fresh air after work to get my steps in. I'm still so congested. The fresh air feels better. Let's get this done. Day 129 complete. 26,178 congested and all. See you all tomorrow. Bye.